Molweni ndize ngochuku kukho amahemhem athi mna ndibhatele uba mandiposte ngocwecwe. First of all, malini, secondly iphi, because kuyo yonke yami i-bank account akho mali ethi ba mna ndibhatalele ukuza ngocwecwe. Also, why would as a woman, why would I even need to get paid to raise awareness on such an issue? Point number uno. Number two, Gqurhakazi lesibini ndalibhlokha kudala, so I'm not gonna see what she's saying about me. Number three, I said what I said. When another little girl gets essayed anywhere else in South Africa, I will come here and defundekele. Don't mistake the results of that case and think, sebezothula andizuthula mna bangathula abanye nosibulele. Oh, andizuthula sana lwam. I will fight for the cause. Beke libeke every single time ndizawufika apha ndifundekele nindithuke bani yandithuka. Because ukundithuka kwenu akundiphi imali, kunganixuthela imali, akutshintshi price yasonga. Bakhona abantu apha abathi naniyenzele i-content. I had content before i-case kacwecwe. If anything, I wanted to use my numbers to I was like, okay, if 100,000 people want to hear what you have to say, use it to be positive. It was not the other way around. It was not, let me see an opportunity to gain followers. Then what? Do I get paid for these followers? Oh, andizuthula mathana. Andizuthula beke kwaphinde kwatrenda enye i-case yomntana ohlukunyeziweyo ndizawuphinda ndifundekele ku-loudspeaker. Andizuthula. Ofuna undithuka kwangokuqokelela zonke izithuko nazo undithuke. Bazihlukunyezwa abantwana sithule. And umntu xa ephuma esithi ndihlukumezekile okanye ndihlukunyeziwe, asizutsebela ukuthi ayisika wethu uyaphosisa, prove it, sizawuthi we believe you. Sisawugqiba simseke. Siyakubazi girls till we die. Asizujika. Nothing will ever intimidate me into not standing up for another woman or another girl. You mad? So what? Oh, you're handling this with emotions. I will handle it with whatever the fuck I want to handle it with. Hell, and it's cheeky, baby. Disappointed, absolutely. I am disappointed in the justice system because I despise, as I said in my previous video, and despise. But do you think I'll shut up? Never. You'll have to unalive me to shut me up because andizuthula abantwana bedlwengulwa. The Justice for Cwecwe campaign was not only about Cwecwe. There are many other Cwecwes who can't speak for themselves. So what is the point of us being on social media and receiving engagement on social media if we won't use it for... I will do it again. Again and again and again and again. On the kapkelayo, akhawuleza alungisa izithuko ngoku because andikazondithuka niseza ndiyuca. Asizuthula abantwana bedlwengulo, asizuthula i-justice system isifailisha njengokuba isifailishile kucwecwe. Asizuthula, I will never. Molweni guys, ndize ngochoko. Uqhelekile wethu umphefumlo wami. Like uqhelekile umphefumlo wami. Kuthiwa i-case kacwecwe has been dismissed due to a lack of evidence. Andisibhayi eso, andisibhayi tu sithandwa sam, andisibhayi. Considering uba side sadinga ufikelela phi in pushing the case for even the bare minimum to be done, andisibhayi. After all this noise on social media, kube ngona kukwenziwa izinto like ekuqaleni bekuthenze inga-investigathwa kakuhle, then ibekho lack of evidence kakuhle kwasekuqaleni. Kutheni izoba khona ngoku? Kutheni? Like, andisibhayi man, there's a lot kula case that is not making sense. But andizanga zothetha ngecase, ndizotsho nje uba ndixhelekile. Like, ndixhelekile on behalf of all those 6-year-olds abanabantu ababaphathaphathayo who had hope ba at least noko if i-case kacwecwe gets solved, nathi silikhona ithemba ba singarepota nathi kungenzeka. Akuzukwenzeka ke ngoku. And to all those people abathi bana, kukho someone who tagged me. Ndibengekaboni nobona ke. Someone who tagged me ba ya nithule ngokuzi-influencers sinibhaqile kwathini siphambene enhloko lento sizawufika sizokwenza i-content nje just for vibes ngomntana. You mad? Ndiqhelekile man guys, yo andiyazi but all I know is that ukhona umuntu ebenethemba loba khini noko xa ihanjelwa phezulu into izawufumaneka i-justice. So uzawuvela acinga umntana abantu uba if i-justice ayenzeki kwi-case of that caliber, if ke iyakwazi unansi kenza ukuthi allegedly squashed, but ndiyasola uba isandla semfene sikhona, uzaba nalo njani yena ithemba yena engezuba na-social media ezawuma emva kwakhe? You understand? Anyway, I'm just here to say I believe umama kaCwecwe, I believe uCwecwe, and I believe all of you guys abathi yo xa kunje bese sinethemba thina sizothini. As I mentioned in my other videos, a lot of people reached out to me besithi bana thank you so much for fighting for justice for Ndondoni, because nathi ngoku we feel like at least nathi thina sasingocwecwe sibancinci, but at least ngoku if Cwecwe gets justice, at least nathi sibanala relief yoba yo andikwazi nothetha guys, ndiqhelekile. Ukrazukile umphefumlo wam, but ndize nje uzokuthi apha justice for Cwecwe asijike, asikazojika. Bangayidismissa icase bana ifuna udismisswa, ndisezoqhubekeka ndikhangele because ndisando realize ngoku into yo hayi ndiqhelekile man guys, andiyazi uba mandithini. Andiyazi uba mandithini because baninzi abantu bebesebethembele uba if at least icase kaCwecwe yo
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Wasemzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. A famous TikToker uSibulele Phakamisa denies ukuthi yena wabhadalwa uMakaCwecwe ukuthi apushe narrative yamaKwecwe. Ngemva kokuthi kudume ukuthi uMakaCwecwe was actually paying influencers to push her narrative, uthi Phakamisa aningamsukeli aningamdzakeli nje nakancane because yena lento leni ikhulumako uyivangani uthi akunamali nje futhi nasebhenki lakhe eke yangena ibuya kuMakaCwecwe. Yena upusha le story because of justice for the 7 years old, hayi ukuthi khona umuntu lambhadalile ukuthi akhulume ngale ndzaba. And uthi she's not gonna stop, ngisho noma i-NPA ingathi liqale yaqitha because there's no evidence, no DNA found emntwaneni. Uthi yena uYoluka Sishoshovu lesikhulu asibantu labadlingilako. She'll always fight for justice yebantu who actually suffered akudlengulwa abantu. Uthi ngekayeke ukuthi noma ningakhuluma nithini ngaye but yena phambili uyakhona uyaphokophela. And uthi lokuthi ubhadale uMakaCwecwe cha lokhu kuvangani njengoba phela yena angakwadi. This is after uButlu iTikTok ake naye ulungelo Gqabashe wa-expose uMakaCwecwe ukuthi uMakaCwecwe was paying influencers to push her narrative, and he even further said ukuthi uMakaCwecwe was actually forcing him ukuthi akhulume ngale ndzaba yaCwecwe. Zathi uyabona bhuti ukuthi umntwana udlengiliwe. That's why laba bantu they don't believe a story saMakaCwecwe, basho ukuthi cha ngazi ukuthi story lesibhekiwe nasikavuthwa, but I'm still saying ukuthi justice for Cwecwe. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you in the next one. I am signing out. Goodbye.